and welcome to another advanced skeleton video. First, I'd like to mention that the sound quality of my voice on this video might not be the same as usual. That aside, in this video we are going to take a closer look at some of the attributes found on the phoneme controller. And the attributes are these two, jaw and lip. They are listed here under the multipliers. And in order to take a closer look at this, we are gonna be also using the auto lip sync tool, and that will give us a voice to work with. In fact, I will try to take this entire voice recording, run it through the auto lip sync tool. So if that all works, you should be seeing one of the demo characters lip syncing me at this point. Alright, so I'm assuming that that's going to work. And then we're going to be looking at these attributes on the phoneme controller. Down here, it's two attributes called jaw and lip. And basically these are multipliers that you can use to adjust the type of speaking that your character is performing. Let's first look at the jaw multiplier. This attribute directly relates to the volume being spoken. So, for example, if the character is whispering, the volume is going to be lower and you would want to reduce the jaw multiplier. And to see that in action, I will now whisper. I am now whispering. And the jaw multiplier should be lower than the default value. Alright, that was some whispering. Now the opposite end of this value range would be if the volume was going louder, and that would be yelling or screaming, and then we would increase the jaw value. I will now provide an example of that and do some yelling. Can you see that I am yelling and we have increased the jaw multiplier? Okay. Back to normal speaking. Next, we're going to take a look at the lip multiplier. Now, this does not represent volume, but rather amount of pronunciation. So, at the lower end of this range would be speaking style mumbling. So, if the character is mumbling, you would reduce the lip multiplier. I will now do an example of that. So this is a little bit of mumbling, and the lips are not moving very much, and we are therefore reduced the lip multiplier. Back to normal speaking. On the other end of this range for the lip multiplier would be extreme pronunciation. And I will now do an example where we will do some over pronunciation. I am now over pronunciating every word, and we have increased the lip multiplier. Okay, back to normal speaking. So there's the two values of lip and jaw multipliers that you can use to get various types of speaking for your character. I hope, as usual, that this video has been helpful, and I'll see you next time.